This station is Auburndale. This is the train to Port Washington. The next station is Bayside.
Yeah, that was pretty cool to see that. Yeah. I noticed two things I didn't notice when I was on that demo train back in October of 2019, which is hard to believe, almost 2 years ago. And it's crazy how almost 2 years to the exact same day I'm railfanning for this train here at Auburndale. So now we're gonna do an elevator ride here. Take the elevator down. And by the way, this elevator is working, and it was repaired a while back. I thought it was working earlier. But here it comes. Here it comes. So I'm titling this video M9 Railfan and Auburndale elevator ride. Let's take the elevator down. So while we're in the elevator, I'll mention floor needs to be cleaned and everything else, but yeah, not too bad on that end. But I will mention two things I noticed. One thing I did notice from 2019 was how they list how many cars are on the train. So I saw in that clip 2 of 10, and I noticed the door close alarm is very different than an M7 and then an M3, because in M3 you had the bells dinging, and M7 was a loud beep. This M9 somehow has a quiet beep. So I did notice that on this M9 train this morning. So maybe I might get lucky one of these days where I actually get to go on an M9 again. And that train was the 10:19 a.m. that left Penn Station earlier this morning. This train pulled in on time at 10:45. And this train was heading to Port Washington this morning. So I figured I wanted to do a quick video here in Auburndale. I knew the train was coming in because I checked train time this morning. I was looking out for it. So I wanted to try to get an M3 or an M9 on tape. If I get lucky, I will come back here. If there is an M9, I will, well no, if there's an M3, my bad. If there's an M3, I will definitely come back here, because I don't know if I'm going to catch one of the M3s ever again unless they're just completely retired, and I'm just not aware of that. But if an M3 is spotted, I will get it on tape, I guarantee you that. So with that, we conclude this video here in Auburndale. Thank you all for watching, and until the next one, please take care.